Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. You need to begin by holding your search bar and waiting for Remove Area to show up. When it does, drag your search bar on top of it. And if you see that the Remove section is light up and your search bar is see-through, simply let go. As you can see, after that, my Google search bar is gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!